All right, question number 16. We want to make a complete graph using local extremes, inflection points. It says you can use a graphing utility, but we'll do this part by hand. All right, so we're going to find the derivative first. Times 3 will give me just x, subtract 1 squared, plus 2x minus 3, and that'll be 0. We're going to set this equal to 0. We'll factor it. 3 times 1, if we subtract that, we get 2. The 2 is positive, so we need the larger number positive, smaller number negative. So we get critical values of 1 and critical value of -3. Since this is a polynomial, the domain will be all real. 1, -3. Also know that third degree is odd. Endpoints will be going different directions, and since it's positive, we'll be going up on the right and down on the left. We're going to use this to help us identify the max or min. So going from left to right, the graph should be coming up this direction, probably be going down here, and then going up here. That's how we'll get that. But let's verify. We'll pick a number, -5, 0, and 2. Just looking for the sign. Plugging this in, we can do it in the factored form. This will be a negative number. Negative times a negative is positive. Plug a 0. 0 minus 1, negative. Positive. Negative times a positive is negative. So going down. 2. Positive, positive, positive. So this just kind of confirms the direction. We're going to plug in these values to find out the actual value of the max and the min. I'll use the graphing utility to do that part. I'm sorry. All right, so get it plugged in, just double checking. I'm going to graph. You can kind of see that shape. -1, 2, 3. That's where that high point is. If I type trace and then -3, we'll see the y value. Okay, so that's about y value of 5. So if I look at the options, this is not correct, nor is this one, so we can get rid of those just based on the direction of the graph. These two kind of match. Let's look at the high point. There we go. Need to be able to make this full screen. All right, so this high point doesn't look like it's happening at 3. Looks like 1, 2, -3 should be over here. So that one doesn't match. Let's try this one. All right, so this graph looks like it's counting by 2s. So 2, 4, 6. Got to be careful on that. So that one looks about at -3. And these lines are counting by 5. So this is the graph that will match.